สมเด็จธิบดี Excellencies, the Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand, as chairpersons to the signing ceremony of 5 Memorandum of Understandings. Firstly, Memorandum of Understanding. Secondly, Memorandum of Understanding between the Government and Innovation and His Excellency Ham Wandi, Minister of Industry, Science, Technology and Innovation. May I invite Your Excellencies to the signing table. Thank you. Thirdly, Memorandum of Understanding Fourthly, Memorandum of Understanding between Export-Import Kathon and Nia Okya Kutming to the signing table. Thank you. Lastly, Memorandum of Understanding. May I invite to the signing table. Thank you. May I now invite Your Excellencies to have a round of applause.
ใครอ่านขอพวกมันก่อนเลยอ่านเลยเริ่มเลยใช่ไหม Somdet Hun Manet, Prime Minister of Cambodia, members of the media. Today, I'm very happy to welcome my good friend, Prime Minister Hun Manet, and his high-level delegation to Thailand. Cambodia was the first country that I paid on special official visit to as a Prime Minister of Thailand during September last year. And today, Prime Minister Hun Manet is the first ASEAN leader to make an official visit to Thailand this year. Prime Minister Hun Manet and I just had a very comprehensive discussion. Both of us share the same commitment to foster closer cooperation between Thailand and Cambodia, based on mutual trust, mutual respect, and mutual assistance. I have also stressed with Prime Minister Hun Manet that Thailand will continue to be a strong partner in supporting the development of Cambodia. Some key highlights from our meeting are as follows. First, we agree to elevate the Thailand-Cambodia relations to strategic partnership. This will open up many new opportunities for us to work even more closely. Thailand will open a new consulate general in Siem Reap, while Cambodia will also open a new consulate general in Songkhla soon this year. Second, we will strengthen security cooperation to maintain peace and stability, especially along the Thai-Cambodia border. I have assure Prime Minister Hun Manet that it is Thailand's policy not to allow anyone to use Thailand as a platform to interfere in the internal affairs or conduct harmful activities against our neighboring countries. We will strictly enforce our laws and policy in this respect. The two countries will also strengthen cooperation to fight transnational crimes, especially cyber scam networks. Third, we will accelerate economic cooperation between Thailand and Cambodia. Last year, our bilateral trade volume stood at about $8 billion, which is still short of our target of $15 billion by 2025. To inject new energy into bilateral trade, Thailand will host the 7th Joint Trade Committee at the Commerce Minister level as early as May to come up with a plan to boost the volume of bilateral trade. A quick win will be immediately implementation of MOU on goods in transit that was just signed, which will help increase the volume of trade, especially border trade. We also welcome the signing of the MOUs between Exim Bank of Thailand and Cambodia Chamber of Commerce and between Thai and Cambodian Chambers of Commerce, which will also help increase two-way trade and investment. Fourth, on energy security, as Thailand and Cambodia import huge amount of natural fuel every year, we discussed and agreed to strengthen our cooperation in the field of energy security. In this regard, we agreed to discuss further on the joint exploration of the hydrocarbon resources in the overlapping claims area between the two countries. At the same time, we attach importance to the maritime delimitation and agree to discuss the issue simultaneously with our exploitation of the hydrocarbon resources. In this regard, I will instruct Minister of Foreign Affairs to consult with other authorities concerned, including the Minister of Energy and the Royal Thai Navy, on the issue for further discussion with Cambodian side. Fifth, we will expedite development of border areas. We have pledged to make Thailand-Cambodia border free from landmines. The two countries will move quickly to humanitarian demining in pilot areas. The goal is to make our border area safe for our peoples. We will make progress on the upgrading of pending border crossing checkpoints. The Joint Boundary Commission, or JBC, will meet very soon. The MOU of Disaster Emergency Response, which was just signed, will provide a framework for closer cooperation in response to emergencies, especially along the border area like the fire incident in Phoi Phet in 2022. Sixth, we will boost cooperation on tourism. I am pleased that 1.8 million Thais visited Cambodia last year, making Thais the largest number of visitors to Cambodia. In the meantime, Thailand is one of the top destinations for Cambodians. Going forward, we will look into ways to make it easier for tourists to travel across borders and visit points of interest in both Thailand and Cambodia, as well as in other neighboring countries in one trip. We will join hands in the 6 countries, one destination campaign to promote regional tourism. If Europe can do it, why can't we do it? We agree to work on the update of the agreement on border crossing to allow for the use of temporary border pass, longer stay and access to non-border provinces like Siem Reap. We will resume negotiations on the bilateral agreement on cross-border transportation by roads to enable border crossing by private cars. Seventh, both countries will increase cooperation to tackle the problem of transboundary haze pollution. The goal is to ensure clean air for the peoples of both countries. We agree to set up a joint working group to map out cooperation, including 1. Establishing a hotline for sharing of information and alert on burning locations. 2nd, emergency responses. And 3rd, capacity building and sharing of best practice in areas such as agricultural burning management. I also invited Cambodia to join the Clear Sky strategy with Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar to work together on this issue. 8th, on labor cooperation, I reassure Prime Minister Hun Manet that Thailand attaches high importance to making sure that Cambodian workers in Thailand receive fair treatment and proper economic safety net. On Myanmar, Thailand and Cambodia share the same goal on the desire to see a peaceful, stable, and unified Myanmar. Both countries want to see Myanmar back fully in an ASEAN family. The Thai government will play a proactive role to provide humanitarian assistance to the Myanmar people and promote peaceful solutions in Myanmar. We will do this together with ASEAN. Lastly, next year will mark the 75th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Thailand and Cambodia. There will be a series of activities to deepen friendships and understanding between the people of both countries, especially the youth. Prime Minister Hun Manet and I are optimistic about the future of relations and cooperation between Thailand and Cambodia. We will continue to meet and consult regularly. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency Prime Minister Sita Thavisin. And very good morning to everyone here, especially members of the press. Please allow me to start by extending my sincere appreciations to His Excellency Prime Minister for graciously inviting me to pay official visit to the Kingdom of Thailand and the esteemed Royal Thai government for the warmest hospitalities. Excellent arrangement extended to me and my delegations. In just 5 months, His Excellency and myself, we have met on several occasions, and at least 4 that we have a chance to discuss, and this have expressed and show a strong relationship between our two countries. Our two kingdoms enjoy long-standing relations. Over the past 74 years, these have been nurtured, strengthened, and in 2017, we elevated to the status of enhanced partnership for peace and prosperity. And like Prime Minister Sita Thavisin mentions today, that we have agreed to raise the status of our relations to strategic partnership. They will signify a growing strength and opportunities to strengthen relation between countries and people. Our discussion have charted a new course of actions aimed at fostering shared growth, prosperity, as well as collaboration across diverse sectors, including trade, investment, connectivity, tourism, labor, defense, and security. We also discussed the importance of exploring and putting to a consideration of long-term security, energy security for our countries, especially in the face of the new changing global environments. This has become a very important issues for long-term sustainability of growth for both countries. So I agree that our joint technical team will explore and discuss further on this matter. And we hope that to yield results very soon in the near future, so our both countries can get mutual benefit on this. Our two authorities concerned have also scheduled for resumptions of the important bilateral mechanisms, which has put on hold quite a bit due to COVID and a number of other matters, namely the Joint Trade Committee, JTC, Joint Commission for Bilateral Cooperation, JC, General Border Committee, JBC, and we also discussed the possibility of reconvening the Joint Cabinet Retreat, which is a very good platform for our two cabinets to meet and discuss on a regular matters on the multiple engagement with various sectors at the same time. We are committed to redoubling our joint effort to increase trade between our two countries. To this end, Cambodia underlined the importance of further strengthen trade facilitation measures to further reduce trade barriers, thereby enhancing business and cross-border trade activities. We also discussed the possibility of establishing complementary special economic zones along border area in order to promote the linkage of supply chain in specific key industries, including automotive, electronic, electrical equipment, and appliances. We attach great importance to private sectors' pivotal role in promoting economic integration, collaboration, and economic development between our two countries. In fact, later today, I will speak to a Cambodia-Thailand Business Forum. We hope that through this forum and other engagement between our private sectors, we can increase this pillar of engagement, which is a strong engine of growth, especially in economic pillar between our two countries. Cambodia's commitment to the two kingdom of one destination initiative remains steadfast in terms of tourism, like mentioned, two countries, one destinations. We discussed about possibility of linkage more destination between our two countries via air in the futures. We also discussed the need for strengthening our cooperation in combating transnational crime, including online scam, illicit trafficking, and cross-border smuggling of movable cultural property, and underlined the need for enhanced cooperation and timely exchange of information between relevant agencies of our two countries. Cambodia also appreciates Thailand for the return of the 16 pieces of artifact previously. And also we discussed the possibility, we hope that the two Ministry of Cultures can work to with the return of the 20 pieces remaining on the technical matters to do that. To further assist the consular affairs, Prime Minister Sita has mentioned we have agreed to open the Consulate General of Cambodia in Songkhla, which will help facilitate the work and also to address the needs of our workers in the south of Thailand, and also open the Consulate General of Thailand in Siem Reap province, which will be addressing the need and the people of Thai people, especially in tourism sectors that will visit there. We stress the importance of building a border of peace, stability, development, prosperity. We agree on the strengthening of defense cooperation between our two militaries, especially between our unit along borders, which we are very active, especially during the COVID-19 period. We also discussed the demining efforts along our borders, and the General Border Committee meeting in March will be a good platform to discuss in details on how we go proceed in order to conduct the demining operation so both countries can get benefit, especially for the people who live along the border. His Excellency Prime Minister Sita and I have just witnessed the signing of 5 additional MOUs, understanding our commitment to deepening our partnership in various sectors. We also exchange views on regional and international issues of shared interest concern in Myanmar and other matters. Before I conclude, please allow me to take this opportunity to thank the Kingdom of Thailand and the friendly Thai people for development assistance scholarships, and humanitarian extended to Cambodia, especially your care and concern for our labors in Thailand. My sincere appreciation also gives to the Royal Thai government and facilitation and care for our peoples that work also and study and other activities in Cambodia, in Thailand. Your Excellency, Prime Minister, your decisions to select Cambodia as your first overseas official visit last year, and my presence here today reaffirms our commitment to strengthen the relationship between our two governments, which will yield the result of our relationship that benefit our people and countries. And thanks for your reaffirming of your support that not allowing Thai territory to be used for any activities, for interference in Cambodian internal politics. The same thing, the Cambodian government is also give commitment of not allowing Cambodian soils as a land or for conducting activities to interfere with Thailand or causing issues in Thailand. As we have our previous commitment of government has also made that such commitment. This is for the mutual respect, mutual benefit of our countries to promote stabilities and trust and confidence, and also for the strengthening of our future relationship together. Thank you very much once again. Thank you very much.